Today's adventure, yes, is going to be a venture too. You know, I say that on all the videos, especially ones we do the trails. Well, today really is an adventure. Now, we're going to go back up to Little Hill Park. We're going to hit that trail we hit that day, but we didn't know where it came out at, where it went, or anything about it. We thought we did. We thought we knew. But we actually didn't. And it's a trail that has no name, so we have no clue how long it is, how far down it goes, or even where it goes. But me and you and little Stormy back here, well, big Stormy, and my wife, but she's over there talking to the neighbors now. We're headed up there. We're going to check this out, guys. That's right. Okay, we'll see you up on top of the hill. Now, the trail we're getting ready to go on is the same trail we hit back a couple weeks ago. It has no name. None. So, what we're going to do today for funs and kicks and giggles and funs and whatever else, we're going to name it. Either we name the trail before we get off the trail, or while we're on the trail. But we're going to name the trail. Now, Storm, if you got to go poo, do it now, because there's 3 garbage cans here. That way I can bag it up and throw it away and not have to carry it all through the trail. Alright guys, we'll see you on the trail. Now today's beauty, I'm going to try to do something a little different for today's beauty. So it might be a little bit different camera angles. I'm practicing on some stuff so I can add more, I don't know, wow value to the videos. So just bear with me. Now this is about as far as we made it the other day. We're down to the bottom of the hill, at least I think. Yeah, we're at almost down to the bottom of the hill. It still keeps going down. So it's about as far as we made it the other day, but if you look behind me, there's another trail going that way. But we're headed that way. Well, like I said in the car before we got down here, this is a true adventure. From this point on, we have no clue what to expect. Let's continue on. I'm excited. I'm stoked. Okay, we came pretty far back and we're stopped. We're going to head back around. Yeah, she's got burrs all over her, like you said. We're going to go back around and go down the other trail, because it does come a point you don't know if you're on somebody's property. And like I said, this has no name to it. I mean, this is definitely a trail, but it has no name. So you truly don't know if you're trespassing or not. But we're going to go back and we're going to try the other trail that we talked about when we got here. And as far as me getting new shots on the GoPro, that might have to wait till next time. Because with Stormy on hand and me not knowing where the heck I'm going anyway, and her pulling, it's not easy to get the perfect shots. But yeah, we'll go down the other way and see which way that goes. Oh, Angie, right down there. Look, there's deer right down there. I'm gonna turn the camera, guys. Maybe I can zoom in. Right down there, there's a bunch of deer. Remember, I said I thought I'd seen something. That's what I seen. A bunch of big deer, too. Guys, if there's any way I can zoom into this, I will, but I don't know if I can. It's pretty far out. I might be able to do it in post. But you see the deer, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have my other camera with me, which is easier to zoom than this. I have to zoom everything on post. There's a baby deer, too. Oh, I tell you what, I still got to learn how to do this holding a dog. But I'm not holding the dog in the same hand with the selfie stick right now. I changed over, but still, it's a new place for her, and she's so excited. But down where them deer were, oh, there's another way to go up. Okay, try this again. Down where them deer were, there was supposed to be another bridge down there, but it's not there no more. Yeah, we know where we're at now, but we got to figure out which way we want to go. That's a steep hill right there. So no matter which way we go up, it's going to be one heck of a monster hill. What do you say, just follow it out?
Sure.
All right, we're going to follow it out, guys. Like I said, this is a true, honest-to-God adventure. And like I just smelled cigarette smoke strong. I'll be back. Okay, got a couple things to tell you. We're headed up this steep hill like we did last time. Now we know what the trails are for. Dirt bikes. And right approximately right down there is a dead deer. It's a fresh dead deer. Because it had no odor. And it wasn't rotten. Oh, Lord. Let's get towards the car and name this trail. Any ideas what we can name it? Okay, we still got to name this trail. But before we name it, let's grade it. I thought it was extremely beautiful in some spots. And if I knew for sure I wasn't trespassing, I would have went a whole bunch further than what we did on the other side. So, all in all, I think it's a pretty nice trail. It's beautiful. So definitely, it's got a high grade for me. A+ all the way. Now, seeing that dead deer carcass did throw me through a loop a little bit. I wasn't expecting that, and I tried to grab Stormy before she went up and sniffed it. It was a fresh kill too. How the hell that happened? And it wasn't just a deer. We've seen other little varmints, like a mold, a rabbit, a couple other ones on the trail dead too. I just hope like hell Stormy didn't get in whatever they got into, if that's what killed them. I really don't know. Well guys, we're gonna walk to the car. Yeah, we got a pretty long way to go back to the car. And there we'll try to come up with the trail name. Oh, as you can tell, Stormy has some burrs on her.
I wiped some of them off.
Yeah, we got some of them off. Stormy, what do you think about that? Huh? You know what? I think we should name it Stormy Trail. What do you think, Stormy? Name it after you? You don't care, do you? You just want us to go to the next adventure, don't you? All right, let's go. Okay, in the last video we did here, well, it wasn't the last video I did, but the last time we was here, I mentioned that we had a dog we named Beth. He used to go down into the trails and come back soaking wet. Well, these are the trails I think my dog did. So, with that being said, and in honor of my late dog Beth, we're naming this trail Beth Bur Trail. That's what we're naming it. Beth Bur Trail. Or we can name it Beth and Stormy Trail. That might be better, you think? Beth Bur Stormy Trail. Something like that. Alright guys, our car's right up yonder.
BBS Trail.
We're going to actually take off and go to another adventure. It's something I want to talk about and show y'all. You'll see that in the next video. But yeah, something's happening in my town. I hope I got the correct lowdown on it. And if I did, it's going to be totally awesome. But we'll see. You won't see that tomorrow. You'll see that in the next video. I don't do videos 5 days a week like I used to. Oh my God, Mike, I am so off my game, guys. Amateur videos, right? Alright guys, until our next adventure, come on. Let's get out of here. We're headed over to the next adventure now. You guys have to wait a day. See you then.